Come join me for a most excellent adventure today. I've been on the river now for a couple hours. I'm doing really good. I think the video is going to be awesome. I'm not done yet. And it's been a lot of fun. I found some good stuff. You know what that is? Yeah, you do. Come on in. At least you can get the last half of the hunt with me. Yay, my first pair of sunglasses of the day. Only been here about 5 minutes. Well, I see something in a bag down there. I think it might be a phone. Let's go check it out. That was kind of weird. On the phone, the glasses, and some jewelry. Oh, look, it's jewels. I guess that's an earring. Oh, I don't really know. But yeah, I think the phone's probably wet. Looks like it's wet inside the bag. Maybe not. I don't know. No, I think it's dry. We'll pop it out later on. Take a look at it. Oh, there's a little fishy down here. I think he died. Yeah, I say he died. I figure probably an eagle ate him, or an osprey, by the looks of it. I think I have a camera down here behind me. I saw a carabiner and it looks like some sort of camera. It's not a GoPro. Now for all you guys that are a little bit slow, keep in mind I'm not filming the recovery of this camera with the camera that's actually on the bottom right there. I'm holding a different camera just in case there's some meat footage on it. Let's go get it. Looks like it's probably dry inside. Don't know for sure, but if it's got an SD card on it, that'll work just fine. So we'll have a little mystery for us to solve. What do you say? One of my earlier videos, I pointed out these weird egg masses right here, and someone told me that they are actually hellgrammites. Well, not hellgrammites, but Dobson fly eggs, which turn into hellgrammites when they hit the water. But yeah, that's exactly what they are, and I appreciate you giving me the heads up on that. I'm sorry, just offhand, I can't remember who you were, but you know who you were, and I really do appreciate the help with that. I think we have another phone up here, but it's probably flooded. I don't think it's in a bag. Yeah, not sure what the heck that is, but it's definitely flooded. Weird. Oh my god! I found a Slurpee! Yeah, we know what that is. I think it's number 7. That's gotta be nice and dry. It looks good inside. Hopefully when it was lost, it was on. It's hard to say for sure, but we'll find out. Well, they're Oakleys, but I think they're toasted. Well, that is one huge phone. I don't think the bag did it much good though. Life proof, so I guess that's an iPhone, eh? What's that? At least a couple of them I found today so far. That one is definitely toasted though. Cool. Now here's a real heartbreaker. Not that I'm complaining. Yep, that's a dead one for sure. Oh, look at the Helgramite! You remember the Helgramites, don't you? There's a nice one right there. Yeah, that's too bad. Oh well. He's not going, is he? He likes his home. Come here, buddy. Oh, got me. He'll be safe underneath that rock. Well, I guess my good deed paid off with the Helgramite because I just found the rest of the GoPro, I do believe. I'm sure it's no good, but at least we can get the card off of it. And see what carnage happened on the river here. Man, that thing's huge. Look how big it is. Cool. I think there's a wino on this river. Well, I think I have my first pocket knife. Well, was it worth the effort? Probably not. I guess you saw that iPhone. I couldn't get down to it. The current was too swift. So I'm working my way back up. I got swept down about 20 yards, maybe 30 yards. And I'm having a rough time staying down. Guess I'm getting tired. I'm gonna have to call it a day. I'm gonna grab those glasses right there and that iPhone and work my way back. That iPhone is right directly below me. See, the current's a little swift here. But we'll give it another shot. Yep, that's what it is. That's a life-proof case. That's a flooded iPhone. Good thing they had a string on them so they didn't lose them. Ray-Bans. Never ceases to amaze me what people bring out here on the river. Let's go check it out. Well, if I find some butter and some toast. So I had an awesome day today. Now I have a ton of sunglasses. Most of them are going to be junk, but I'll haul them off the river and put them on my fence. I did get a few pairs of Ray-Bans and I got some Oakleys there. I got at least 3 iPhones and another phone, not sure what kind that is. Most of the phones are flooded. I think that one's going to be okay. Also ended up with 2 GoPros. That one's perfect. It's going to work just fine. That one's flooded. We'll at least get the cart out of there and see if there was some big river accident where he lost it, and that might be exciting to see. I also got a nice waterproof camera that I think is going to be okay, and a slingshot and just a bunch of other stuff. It was an awesome day. It really was. I think that's up to 7 or 8 GoPros now. I'm not even sure which anymore. And so many phones. Wow, just lots of phones.